upcoming live mo yan kapag ka-Shane. Here's your upcoming live. Direct. Your upcoming live. 1, 2, wait lang. 21, 22. Wait. Natin. Support my friend. Wait lang guys. Okay. Okay natin. Okay, naka-thumbshade na ako. I already thumbshade to you, Mr. Pankaching. Already thumbshade to your upcoming live. Thank you so much, Sissy Shell. Okay, malapit na tayo mag-end, guys. Thank you so much. At mga pagtambay niyo dyan, maraming salamat, guys. Wait, i-release ako si Mr. Pankaching. Mr. Pangka. Sino pa rin dumalo sa akin? Wait lang. Sayani Creator. Sayani Creator. Sayani Creator. Malaki na din yung bahay mo, Sayani. Wait lang ha. Malaki itong bahay mo, Sayani Creator. Okay. Ano natin to? Okay. Yung latest upload video mo. Latest upload. Thumbshade natin yan. May upcoming ka pala. You have an upcoming. Okay. I-share lang natin to. Upcoming. Thank you so much, guys. Mana Lisa, maraming salamat, Mana Lisa. Thank you so much sa stay nyo, pagtambay nyo sa akin, guys. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat, guys. Mag-end na tayo, guys. Sissy Shell, thank you so much, Sissy. Maraming salamat, guys. Thank you so much sa pag-stay nyo sa akin, ha. Maraming salamat sa pagtambay nyo, guys, at suporta. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye na, guys, ha. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Mag-end na tayo, guys. Wait lang, guys, ha. Kailangan alisin ko yung Wait lang, ha. Sabi kasi ni Kuya Nards, alisin daw yung nakapin bago i-end ang live streaming. Dahil nakakabigat daw yung, wait lang. Alisin nga natin bago mag-end tayo. Wait lang. Retry, message. Supreme ba yun? Retry message. Ito ba? Okay, tingnan na natin. Okay, tinanggal natin. Bago tayo mag-end, guys, tanggalin nyo yung nakapin. Para daw hindi yan mabigatan. Kasi nagre-review yan ni Lulu yung live streaming natin, guys. Kailangan tanggalin natin para hindi mabigat din. Para daw malinis. Sabi ni Kuya Narshan. Kaya gagawin natin, guys, ha. Bye-bye, Sissy Shell. Thank you so much. Sissy Mana Lisa TV, thank you so much. Sissy Miriam, maraming salamat. Cielo May. Miss Joanna, thank you so much, Miss Joanna. Lucy Warren, thank you so much, Lucy Warren. Sino pa ba yung pumunta sa akin? Thank you, guys. Maraming salamat.